Once you receive your email invitation for your online enrollment session, please make sure you read the email carefully. In today's example, our applicant's name will be BEOC applicant and their program choice will be the OSHA program. After you've completed reading your email, you will see that for helpful tip number 3, we recommend downloading the RingCentral Meetings application to your phone or computer. Make sure you use the link provided in helpful tip number 3 to download the application. After you finish downloading the RingCentral Meetings application to your device, return to the original email that you received. In our example, remember that our applicant is interested in the OSHA program, therefore they have to sign in to the OSHA enrollment session. As you can see in this example, the OSHA enrollment session is scheduled for December 1st at 10 a.m. The next step will be to click where it says, click here to join the session. A web page will appear that invites you to join the meeting. Make sure you click the button that says Join Meeting. Then a message will pop up asking you if you would like to open the meeting in the Meetings application. Click Open. As you are connected to the meeting, you will be invited to enter your name. Please enter the name that you used when completing your online admissions application. In this example, again, the name is BEOC applicant. Then click Continue to join the meeting. Once you've joined the meeting, connect to the audio by pressing Call using internet audio. Then the housekeeping slide will appear. As you can see in the first bullet point, we do ask that you mute your mic, and you can do so by clicking on the bottom of the screen where it says mute. The next step will be to confirm your attendance. To confirm your attendance, look at the second bullet point to see who is the designated staff person to send your information to. For this example, I will show you how to send a private message to Ms. Nova. The private message should include your phone number, email address, and first and last name. To do so, click where it says Participants. Then click Ms. Nova's name, and then type your message in the chat box. Then press where it says Close to close the chat box and return to the presentation. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us by phone at 718-802-3344 or by email at admissions@beoc.cuny.edu. Thank you.